Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel dev viewers. In front of me HP Color LaserJet Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to link your Google Drive to this printer. Firstly, scroll right your icons, then choose apps here. Then find here Google Drive. Wait for it. And here you will see the screen with instruction how to link your Google account to this printer. So to do it, you need to open google.com/device. As you can see, I have opened this web page on my mobile device, and now I just need to enter this one-time activation code. So in my case, it's STH VPK LWF. Continue. So I want to link for test only account. Hello. Confirm on your device. Click confirm. And success! Device connected. See all apps connected to your Google account. Go to Google accounts. Okay. So would you like this device to remember your email for quicker access? If not, you will need to set up your account on this printer with a new activation code each time you want to use Google Drive with your Google account. So I don't want to link my printer with this test Google account. I will link this printer with my own Google account, so you can link it with your favorite, with your most popular, most used Google account. And here you can view documents in your Google Drive and print, or you can scan document and upload to the Google Drive. So now just choose the action you need, and for example I want to choose document from my Google Drive and print it from Google Drive. Here I have one scanned document, for example. I hope it has 1 or 2 pages. Paper size letter A4. Color on. Two-sided print on. Wait a while. Your content will print soon. After it completes downloading, press OK to go back. So just click OK and wait a while. Okay, as you can see, printer is printing now. And my document has been successfully printed. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.